I'm here in the office of the Irish Pagan School HQ, and I've just recorded a guided journey. Now, this has gone up as part of our guided meditation membership, but it was on healing, and I thought that some people might like to know that it was available, and also maybe have a little tour around. So I'm going to share my screen, give you a tour. And I'm Laura O'Brien. If people are not familiar with me, I am one of the co-founders of the Irish Pagan School. So here we have what you're going to see when you go to irishpaganschool.com. It is our courses. If you're enrolled or logged in, you can go to my courses directly here. All courses will show you everything that's available from myself and John and our other teachers at the Irish Pagan School. We have all native teachers here. And this is our blog and resources, and then my membership as well. So when you're obviously joined, when you enroll in classes, you will have options up there. If you're just new to us, then you can just go to the guided meditation membership here. And basically, this membership has come about because people were telling me that they really, really wanted a deeper connection to a spiritual path, but they couldn't meditate. The methods of meditation felt inauthentic or appropriative to them, and they were just overwhelming. So I have put together this guided meditation membership, which is this monthly subscription. Now, what I'm going to do is show you inside of it, including the new one that I just came in. So this is what a student is going to see. So new members introduce themselves, our Facebook groups, your student guide, how the journeying levels work, topics and categories. There is a PDF guided meditation book and journal that you can download and print so that you have options for recording. And then we have it divided up by topic. So you have two levels, level 1 and level 2, that are available through the guided meditation membership. Level 1 has wellness and development. We have your healing, overcoming laziness, finding contentment, self-compassion, focus and clarity. Then in the level 1 journeys also we have archetypes, guides and guardians. This is actually where I started teaching, so it has a little bit of a special place in my heart. This is how I started teaching guided journeying, was using particular archetypes. So in here, currently we have mother, father, child, wise woman, wise man, the hero, and the healer, which we put in today. So that is there for people. And I'm doing this video today because tomorrow we will be sending out our monthly guide by email, which tells people, again, nobody wants to be overwhelmed. So there's literally suggestions for each week of the month. And it usually goes out on the first Monday of the month. So Meditation Monday. And you can take the suggestions, or you can just go through whatever is appealing to you as you work through it. So again, these are all level 1 journeys, which are at your beach. We have a lot in there that is going to be very practically useful for people. And then we transition to the next level of the guided journeying process. This is where we start to journey out from the beach on the boat and visit some of the sacred sites of Ireland. So different sites that you can access remotely through this guided meditation process. Then we have various seasons and cycles ones. And again, there's more being added to these all the time. We have spirit of deer, spirit of crow through our flora and fauna. I think oak is going to go in there next, because I'm also working on a new class for the Irish Pagan School, which is the Wisdom of Trees, which isn't available yet, but if you're on the email list, you will get notice of it in the next few weeks. Then you have guides and guardians. So this is meeting your personal guide. We've got Biddy Early, we've got the Turning Stones, Hound of the She, Meeting in the Laneway, Flat Grey Rock, which is Abel's Echo, and then In the Glade at Tara. So this is where your little she journeys are going to be going. I do suggest that you get a bit of practice with other journeys and meeting your personal guides before you go in there. And then also we have the ancestors and magic. So there are many, many journeys that are based in the landscape here that you can tap into, but also then some of the magic that has been shown to me through ancestral wisdom. And then we have the gods. So meeting the Dagda, meeting Nuada, learned Oma, meeting Breach, Dochik na Morinya, the Morrigan's Mounds, meeting Lu, meeting the Bive, and meeting the Maeve. So that's what we have available. I think there's, I can't remember how many there are. There's a lot of journeys. And there's at least one or two new ones that go up every single month. And again, those suggestions are sent to you month by month. So if you want, the link will be below to join this if you do want to join us. And that's enough for me, I think, of a Sunday morning here at the IPS HQ. Hopefully you're having a nice restful day, and maybe some meditation practice could add to the stress relief that we all need currently. So, slán go full. I'll see you in the next video.